My name's Roy Brousard from Statesville, North Carolina, and I'm standing beside our 1973 Cuda. We've been going to various car shows around within, we try to keep it within a 75-mile radius of Statesville. And this car originally, you'll see that the badging on it's a 440, which it didn't come out with a 440 in 73. They were downsizing the motors because the insurance was hurting a lot of young people. What this car was born with was a 340 six-pack. It's been a good car. We've really enjoyed it since we've had it. Don't see that it'll ever leave our possession. It's already been spoken for from one of our daughters.
So how did you hear about Salisbury Downtown Cruise?
On the interweb. Went up there and got to looking, and I thought, well, this is the place we need to go, because I always like coming to Salisbury. A lot of history here, just looking at the architecture around, things like that. So we decided today would be a good day to show up. Like I said, this is my first time, and it seems like a nice turnout, and just a bunch of people that are into cars. We like the newer stuff for the convenience and the luxury, but then I like the rattles. I like the old stuff. I like smelling the gas. I like going up the road. So it's a different experience, and it brings you back to that point in time when I was a teenager.